In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export customer invoices in Odoo. This is a very quick process, and once you know where to click, it becomes incredibly easy to repeat whenever you need to download invoice data for reporting, record keeping, or sharing with your team. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside your own Odoo account without any confusion. To begin, open Odoo and go to the Accounting app. This is where your invoicing and financial records are managed, so if you're looking for customer invoices, this is the right place to start. Once you're inside the accounting section, look to the top left toolbar. From there, click Customers and then select Invoices. This will take you directly to the Customer Invoices page. On this screen, you'll see the full list of invoices that are currently available in your system. Depending on how your account is set up, this list may include draft invoices, posted invoices, paid invoices, or overdue ones. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page before moving to the export step. Now that you're viewing the invoice list, go to the top left area of the page and click the gear icon. This menu contains additional actions you can perform on the records shown in the list. From the options that appear, select Export. As soon as you click Export, the download will begin immediately. In most cases, the file will be saved automatically to your computer's default Downloads folder, unless your browser is set to ask where to save files first. If you don't see the file right away, check your browser's download bar or your Downloads folder to confirm that it completed successfully. And that's it! Your customer invoices have been exported from Odoo. This is a simple but useful feature, especially if you need to analyze invoice data outside the platform or keep an offline copy for documentation. If you export regularly, it can also help to stay organized by renaming your downloaded files clearly and storing them in folders by month or client type. That's all there is to it. Once you've done it once, exporting